Hey, what is up, guys? Frostnightmare here, and I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but they have the Ultimate Freeze bundle and stuff in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open some packs. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, let me go ahead and... Hey, my boy Rivera's in here. Alright, it's time to open these packs. No, bro, leave me alone. Stop telling me, or else I'm gonna just... I'm gonna mute you if you... going. Let's see what we get. Dude, if we could get any of the leads, bro, that'd be dope. Oh, hey, that's a oop player. Oh, it's a fullback. I mean, go for it, bruh. I really want that Deion Sanders, dude. I really did. Got a Stephon Diggs. Alright, then. These packs are alright. They alright. Dude, imagine if I accidentally just freaking used my coins to buy one of these, like 50k. Oh my god, I would have been pissed. Oh, Jared Goff! Yes! Let's go! Jared Goff, thank you. I'm gonna need him. Yeah, thank you very much. That saves me. Nice. Oh, Bud Debris. That guy was good. He was good last year. I had him last year. He had a draft card. Go ahead and open up Pro Pack 2. Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah. Alrighty, now on to the official pieces. Boom! Why? Because I don't need that Ty Montgomery card. Oh, Ed 2 Charles Jones. Whatever then. Alright, let's go ahead and open these. Gabe Jackson. Oh, an elite! And it's an Anthony Munoz. I want some fireworks. Oh, here they are. Max Strong. Oh, center too. Oh, he probably sells for like... I got all hype for no reason. Here we go. He's for the Steelers center, so... Rayninsky. I don't know. I'll check right now. I want some fireworks. Here it is, right here. Here it is. Yes. Some more fireworks. Right here. Oh, this fireworks. Javon Curse and Jonathan Stewart. Alrighty then. Oh, Randy Moss. Champ Bailey. McNabb. I hope this collectible sell, because, I need them coins to get that Dion. Joey Boza. Oh, Jerry Rice collectible. Oh, a John Randall. 85. Brian Dawkins. Hey, Jerry Rice collectible. Jerry Rice collectible. It's a player. It's week 12. It's an elite, sir. 85. Another Rayninsky, a Tim Brown, and a Steve McNair. Go and see what else we can get. Come on now. Herman Moore, I doubt that sells for anything. Shockey. Rayninsky again, and Oh, Jerry Rice, 82 overall. Nice. Oh, a gift. Opens at 12:23. Huh. Sure. Shit, I sorry, I skipped it already. DeMarco Murray, Champ Bailey, Ed Too Tall Jones, Dante Whitner. We only have, in total, we only have 5 more packs. No, that's saving for last, bro. Oh, look, I got Ty Montgomery. What do you know? Randy Moss collectible. Oh, and back-to-back fullbacks. Bruh. Back-to-back same card fullbacks. Fucking Darius Slay. Nice. I'm running. Oh! Ah, Tyrann Mathieu. Cornerback. This is the last one of the legendary ones. Let's go ahead. Damn, I really zoomed through that one fast right there. Oh, I thought that was Zeke. I was about to be like, oh, shit. Bob Sanders and Ricky Williams. Alrighty. Antarctic, or is that, wait, what does that say? Oh, my bad. Arctic. Ooh, a Taiwan Jones? Alright, here goes the topper. I really hope I don't put trash. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I got the kicker. Bob Sanders. Bob Sanders and the kicker. Alright, well, I'm gonna sell all these and I guess I'll come back later or probably just post this. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you guys later. Peace.